In this video I'm going to show you how to extract audio from video in Canva. It is quite a difficult process, but if you follow these steps you will be able to do this. So the first step is to create a new design. Once you are there, search for video and select the frame size you would like to use. Let's say we would like to use the landscape frame. Now select it and you have created a new design. The next step is to go to uploads and upload a video. I have already uploaded a video, so I will add this to my timeline by drag it into it. Now I've added the video into my timeline, and if we would like to extract the audio of this video, then we will click on the design and right mouse click on it, and there you will see an option to extract audio. Do this. Now the audio is extracted and is placed underneath the video itself. So once you want to change this video and keep the audio intact underneath it, then we can add a new video. So we will drag a new video into this timeline and replace the current video. As you can see, the new video is shorter than the audio itself. So if you would like to change this, then you can add some more clips by clicking on this plus and create new pages. And as you can see, the audio will be longer than it currently was without the original video. So what you can do is maybe add some new videos into it to create a compilation of videos, and the audio will lengthen itself. And that is how you extract audio from a video in Canva.